Today we are learning about subordinating conjunctions. Now you heard that word conjunctions before because we learned a group of conjunctions that were called coordinating conjunctions. Remember, und, aber, denn, sondern, oder. And when we use these conjunctions, we just connected two sentences, stuck these words in between, but nothing changed in the original word order of these sentences. Now, when we have subordinating conjunctions, subordinating, that tells you that they do something to the verb, right? Yes, they do. There's a change in word order. So what do subordinating conjunctions do? After you see one of these here, we'll talk about those a little later. I used while. You have to remember that the conjugated verb goes to the end. Now let's look at an English sentence. I go to the movies because it is Friday. Completely normal sentence, subject, verb, right? I go, subject, verb, to the movies, location, because it is Friday. So, now I put the German sentence underneath. Ich gehe, I go, ins Kino, to the movies, because, weil, and now you see the difference between English and German. Weil es, same position, Freitag ist, but the verb, which is in its regular position in the English sentence, in the German sentence, it goes all the way to the end. Now you have to memorize these, because whenever you see one of these conjunctions, you have to know that the conjugated verb gets pushed all the way to the end of your sentence. All right, let's look at them. Bis, meaning until. Before, before. Damit, so that. Obwohl, even though. Sobald, as soon as. Weil, because, and that is very frequently used because people give reasons for actions all the time. Then can mean if or whenever. And das, that is followed by a sentence. For example, you say, I know that you are sick. I know that you got a good grade. That kind of that. It has two S's. All right. Now let's use some example sentences so you can understand it better. For example, ich warte, I'm gonna wait till the bus comes. Ich warte, comma, and they're always preceded by a comma. Ich warte bis der Bus um 8 Uhr kommt. Alright, well, you learned verb to the end. Der Bus is your subject, right? Kommt is the verb with the T ending because of der Bus, pushed to the end, all the other information in the middle. Ich warte, bis der Bus kommt. Another one, let's use before. Ich esse, Komma, bevor ich in die Vorlesung gehe. I eat before I go to my lecture. Bevor ich in die Vorlesung gehe. Again, before, then the subject, verb all the way to the end in the conjugated form, ich gehe. Rest of the information in the middle.